Hello, this is how to create an assignment in Canvas and attach a music workshop video. You'll start on your music workshop account signed in. You will end up on the home page, which is here, and you'll click the Virtual Learning Center icon, which is in the middle of your page. That will take you to all the materials that you'll need for distance learning. As you scroll down, you'll see all your different options. I'm going to select POP because it's a fun course, and it will take you to all the materials for the POP course. I'm going to select the video that I would like. I'm going to select 3 through 8, and you'll see down here that it will download. The Virtual Learning Center course videos are a smaller resolution, so they are easier to upload and download, although as you'll see, they still take a few moments both to download and to upload. So we have our POP course finished. That will be automatically put into our downloads folder, but you can also click on here to save it elsewhere if you would like it somewhere else. Then you will go onto your Canvas account. This is the home screen, and you will select Assignments and create an assignment. You'll want to name the assignment Music Workshop POP course, and then add some instructions for your students. Please watch video and be prepared to discuss. And then you can scroll down, and you'll want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, even past the Save and Publish, down here to Links, Files, and Images. You'll select Files and then upload a new file. Choose your file. It should bring you straight to your downloads, and the last one will be the last file that you selected. And click Open, and it will say which file you have selected, and then select Upload. You'll see the dots working, and this will take a few moments to upload. I'm going to pause the video while it uploads. Great, so when the upload is finished, you will see it down here in the files list, and it will pop you straight back up to the top of the assignments, and you will see the link there in the assignment. At that point, you can add what other instructions you want, points, what kind of submission you'd like. You can also create a quiz with the questions from our Q&A that we provide you on the Virtual Learning Center. There's all of our materials over here. You could download those and create a quiz or attach it for them to fill out. You have lots of options, and then when you're ready with all the information, you would hit Save and Publish. And that will send that out to your students in the class that you have selected. Once you've hit Save, it will look like this, and you will see the video ready to go. And then you can hit Publish if you want to do Save and Publish first. So thank you very much for using Music Workshop, and we hope you enjoy the courses because music is for everyone.